Do you ever have kids in your class that seem like they just annoy other kids, like deliberately for no reason? I want to bring your attention to a couple things here. 2 words, the word annoying and deliberate. As soon as you say the words annoying and deliberate, you've passed judgment. Now, you could be totally right, all right, totally correct. But it's those types of words that get us into trouble. If I walk in and I see this kid every day, I look at this kid and I actually identify this kid with a child who deliberately annoys other people versus being able to see the child in a different way. So it's going to cloud how you feel when you're dealing with this child. So the first thing you can do is take away what we call subjective language. If we use the word annoying, instead of using the word disruption or interrupts, see, disruption and interrupting is a much more objective term. And if you use the word deliberate versus child is doing it again, which is just repetitive interruption or disruption, then it helps us to not pass judgment. And the other thing we know about children who do interrupt or disrupt repeatedly, because that's what we're really talking about here, is repeated interruption, disruption, is that they don't know how to get their needs met another way. So the management is to use more objective language. The intervention is to figure out how to teach this kid to get the attentional needs they might need from peers, the attention they might need from you, and that will happen through logical consequences. So what type of logical consequence would you do with a child who interrupts or disrupts repeatedly versus using that subjective language, which is going to cloud your judgment and how you might respond to the child in the future?